Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here with our second course preview before our second competition here at my place. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get right into it. All right, starting off here in the corner of the course, we're going to go through the green gates, make the turn, head up Marblehead, the hard section, through those gates. You're going to go across the little teeter-totter bridge. Once the teeter-totter goes down, make the turn across the lava rock field. You got this boulder to navigate through this set of gates. We go through the corner here, around some monster trucks. This is a really tough turn to make, up and over the hill, down the mountainside, the stair steps. We'll go across the natural bridge. Then we're going to go through this notch section. Then through the concrete. Once we get through the concrete, you have to make the turn, come back around the easy side of Marblehead. Come down, you got to navigate around this boulder, back across the lava rock field, up the natural bridge, across it, and through the final red gates. All right, that's our second course preview for my competition here at the house. Can you say hi, Aspen? Say hi. All right, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.